What I wish I knew about pipeline safety back when I started could fill a book. But let's distill it into 90 seconds. Ensuring the safety of natural gas pipelines is crucial for everyone involved. Here's how we walk the line step by step. Boom. First, we use up-to-date documentation. Think of piping and instrumentation diagrams as the blueprint of our operations. They need to reflect the current state of our systems and equipment. Outdated diagrams, that's a no-go. Next, we physically confirm the system is ready for the intended activity. This means checking everything from valve positions to the lineup of relief devices. It's like a pre-flight checklist for pilots, but for pipelines. Finally, if we spot any issues with documentation or system readiness, we alert supervision immediately. No delay, no second guessing. This process isn't just protocol, it's a lifeline. By following these steps, we ensure a safer environment for everyone. Remember, safety in our pipelines means safety in our lives. So let's walk the line together, one step at a time. Stay safe, stay diligent, and keep the gas flowing safely. This script brings a professional yet engaging tone, making it accessible and clear for all employees.